Thank you, Daddy.
Zuli, what about you?
Thank
You
you,
wanna get a
Daddy.
mohawk too? Zuli? Okay. All right. We are going to make some
Shark?
paper hearts.
Shark?
No. We're gonna make some
Is that
paper
shark?
hearts. I don't know how much of this you will understand, but please bear with us. Where's your paper? Zuli's got the yellow one. I got the pink one, and Rocket's got the green one. And we did not dress in these colors intentionally, so that's pretty cool. I know, look at that. Yellow, pink.
And this is a sort of green. Right? Pink. Sort of green.
Yeah, it's, what color is this,
Mommy,
Reggie?
Pink.
Cyan. Is that like green, right?
Blue.
It is in the green
Blue.
color.
Blue.
All right, let's make some paper hearts. Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
Okay, the first step is to...
Yeah.
Here, Zuli. First step is to make a triangle. Look, from a square, you make a triangle. Want to make a triangle, Zuli?
Yes.
You want me to help you?
And make a triangle.
Here. Let's make a triangle.
Yummy.
Yay. Okay. Next, we're going to unfold it. So now you still have the square, but then you fold it the other way.
Triangle.
Make another triangle.
So I can make an X.
Yeah.
Changa.
Changa? A chimichanga?
Changa.
Okay. After you have this, so you've got
Triangle.
these lines, right? Now we are going to fold this up here. Fold it like that.
Huh? You can get it.
Fold it.
Yes. Maybe it's the other way around, like this. Like this way. How?
Hmm?
Like this.
Wait, I think we need to use this paper. You're right. Mommy's getting a little bit forgetful. We all have to use Zuli's colors. Here you go, Zuli. All right, let's start over. Okay, yes. Look, Zuli, let's fold this towards here to the end, to the other side. You see that? Yay! So fold it like this. Yeah, find the end, the tip. So fold it like this. Got it? And then you do the same thing to the other side. So bring this over here. Wow! Are you gonna fold that one? You want me to fold it for you?
Yes.
Okay, but we need to use the other paper, this one.
Other side? No.
Yeah, you do the other side. So earlier we did this side, you folded it like this. This time you fold it this way. While I help Zuli.
Like this? Or like...
No, the same from the same side. So now you fold it
Yeah!
this way.
Got it!
So once again, fold it like that, and then fold this way. Got it? Here, Zuli, this is yours.
No, you're mine.
I'm not interested. You got it, Rocket? There. There you go. You got it now.
Yeah, I got it.
Now unfold it and then bring them down like this. So you have like a shape of a house. Like the roof of the house and a house.
Like, look at this.
You can put it on the table so it's easier. So you go like this, Rocket. Look. There's your fold, right? See? See?
And then put it down.
And then press this part down on top. And then make it flat. But try to connect it as cleanly as possible.
Oh, got it.
Wow, you got it. Okay, now that we have this shape, right? Now what we're going to do is we're going to fold this part up this way.
Up.
So you fold it up.
Oh, no. Oh, no.
Okay?
In the corner.
Yeah, and then you do the same thing to the other one. You fold it up.
Now we're making a diamond in the roof.
A diamond in the roof. Yeah, that's
It looks
right.
like
That is absolutely right. Okay, you got it?
All
All right. Now we're going to fold this underneath like that.
We got a triangle.
See? And then the other side. Oh, wow. Good job, Zuli. You did make a triangle. Can you make the triangle smaller? Do you know how to do that?
There.
That's another square.
Not triangle.
So then you
Another
fold the
triangle.
other side too. Now you have this.
It's almost like a crown, but it's taller crown with a diamond, right?
Yeah. All right. Now that we have that, fold this
and
like
leave
so. Okay. And then you know what, to make it easier, you can just snip that part off. After you folded it, just remove it.
this much space.
Too much, too much. You need a little bit more so that you can fold it in. So you can just remove,
Better.
yeah, just fold it up to here and then remove that part. There. All right, now that we have that, we fold this in. See?
Like this.
Uh-huh. And then next, you see this? You fold this in again.
Ready?
And then you fold the other side. Because these will tuck into your heart. See, it's kind of like a heart already. We just need the top part.
Daddy.
What are you doing? Are you making trouble?
Like this?
Yeah, that's right. Okay, now that you have this, this is the side view. You've got the two flaps in the front, and then you've got this part on the back. So you fold that one on the back down. So fold it down. Now you have this on the back, and this is in the front. Got it?
I think it just went on.
Oh, you're already doing the next step. The next step is you open this up, this part over here, and then you're going to insert it inside, like that. And then insert this section, tuck it in, kind of like when you tuck in your shirt, Rocket, to keep your shirt tucked into your trousers. You gotta put it under the pants, like that. So now we have it tucked in the back. Oh, what happened? Got it?
Mommy, that's you.
What are you doing with all the tape?
Yes.
Yeah, it's okay. Here. Where's the triangle that I asked you to make? You got it, Rocket? Almost there.
Over there.
Oh, okay. Here, make another triangle.
Triangle.
Sit down, Zuli. Need help? Let me see.
Oh no.
No, it's almost there. Okay, Rocket just had a difficult time tucking in this section.
Triangle.
You can use a bigger paper to make a bigger heart, so it's easier for tiny hands.
Triangle.
But there, you've got your heart already here, Rocket. And then the last part of this process is to simply fold this down and create that heart shape. See? Fold this down and create that heart shape. Just make sure that on the back you have enough of the flap to tuck inside the fold.
Mommy.
Yeah?
Like this?
Yeah.
Triangle over there.
Oh, you put the triangle, you tucked it underneath the cloth.
What a triangle. There's a triangle.
And now we have a heart, a paper heart. So you can write letters in here, notes, or you can make tons and tons of different colored paper hearts and just place them on a table or in a jar and use them as decor.
Queen. Or when like there's a party you can like do like this because like win a prize, right? Almost like that.
Like when you pick for a raffle?
Yeah, and then you open it.
Yeah, you can do that. See? Did you get yours? Let me see.
This side is a bit hard. The other side, the left one was easy. This one.
Yeah, that's good, Rocket. See? You already have it.
Okay.
You just needed to tuck it in.
Queen.
And that was done.
Queen.
Is that a queen? See? There you go. There's Rocket's heart. Good job.
I want to do it again.
Okay, let's do it again and practice. In the meantime, I'll show you guys a top view of how to do it so it's easier to follow.